I was born right here in the Granville town site, otherwise known as Gastown, January 15th, 1873. Back then there was no Vancouver. My mama died the day I was born. Pa chose not to stick around long. My sister Marianne, she raised me. People tell you, when the Great Fire came, it swept down Water Street faster than a galloping horse. Well, I tell you, Marianne and I sure outran that fire. We reached the dock before half the drunk scoundrels of this town even smelled the smoke. By 1898, we had 100 men a day arriving for the Klondike. Figured I'd join them. 5 years was a long time in Yukon. My friend Kitty was all I had. But in the end, a woman has to come home. She has to turn a blind eye to the scars of smallpox. And don't listen to those gunshots in the night. She has to come home and face the music before it stops.